Today we've got a tip on the truck campers. Rory's going to go over a video on lubing the lift system for the inside that raises and lowers the roof. Three things you're going to need for this. A second pair of hands is super nice. You need a 2x4, roughly 18 inches tall. This is going to help give the roof the ability to stay open when you pull the pin on the lifting mechanism. And then some type of gel silicone. WD-40 makes a gel. There's also a product out there called Beaver Slick, which is recommended by the supplier.
Okay, people are asking about lubing these lifting mechanisms, which you should do, especially if your unit's a couple years old. The older units that have the limit switch, they push up, but gravity feeds them down, so they're a lot easier to pull the pin. The new ones have a fixed nut, and so it actually pulls the roof down. So I get a board in there, and then if you have somebody lower the roof, I have pulled the pin, and now you need to lower the roof until see. Now if you lower it down a little bit more until this hole shows, you can get your lube straw in here. And WD-40 sometimes isn't the best. They do make a WD-40 gel that works really well, and anything will really work, I guess. But you don't have to bring it all the way down because of the other three are pulling. So I just get it to where this hole is shown, get the straw in there, and give it a good squirt, and then it'll come down here on the thread and the nut and lube that. It should quiet it down. The outsides, I use WD-40 gel, and like I put a rag here, squirt it, and then I use my hand to get a really light coat. If you get too much on here, it'll stain your tent. And then to put the pin back in, you've got to be real careful and raise it. And then till this lines up, gotta go some more. More. Oh, and you get the pin back in. Oops, better go down a little. Oh, there you go.